This is the 2020 Yamaha 210 SX with twin TR1s, which is 115 horse apiece. On the front of the boat, you do have a swing tongue. You do have a spare tire on this as well. This is the tandem axle trailer. You have your two-step swim platform on the back, ladder on the bottom, got your articulated keel, pull-out cleats, we got port side gas, let's hop up into the boat and see what it has to offer. Hopping up inside the boat, in the bow, you have two wraparound seats that'll walk up in the middle. You have your anchor locker up front. It does have a ladder. Stainless steel grab handles. Walk-through windshield. Center floor storage. This can pop out to be a wind block. More storage in the side. Got your glove box over here. Captain's chair. Your other captain's chair with a flip-up bolster. This does hold 10 people. On the dash here, you do have your 4-inch connect screen, infinity stereo system, your wake assist, and no wake cruise mode switch over there. On this side you have your blower and your dual keys. This boat does have 240 hours on it. Got your wraparound seating in the back. You have a table that mounts at the bottom down there. On the walk-through, you do have a removable cushion. That way you don't have to walk on your cushions every time you get in and out of the boat. You got your twin engines here. And they are the TR1s, so they're 115 horse apiece. Walking over. You got a spot for a table there. Seating in the back. You do have your bimini top. This is the Yamaha 210 SX. If you have any more questions, call James at SkipperBud's in Madison, 608-246-2628.